आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, this question, if c is equals to 1 by 2, okay, and fx is given, that is 2x minus x square, then interval of x in which LMVT is applicable. So we have to find the interval in which LMVT is applicable. Four options are given to us. Option 1, 2, 3, 4 are 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 1 and 2, 1 respectively. So first of all, let me write this function, then I'll try to make you understand. Okay, these are the things given to us in the question. So what we have to check? We have to check whether LMVT is applicable in given intervals or not. Okay, let me tell you what is LMVT. For checking its applicability, a function is given to us in the question. Okay, and limits are given to us in the question, suppose a or b, and a value is given to us in the question, that is c. Okay, so for checking its applicability, what we check? If f dash c is equals to f of b minus f of a, okay, divided by b minus a, okay, if this condition satisfies, if this formula is satisfied, then we can say LMVT is applicable. So here in this question, fx is also given to us, c's value is also given to us, and we have to check for a b limits. Okay, so first for finding, here in LHS we have f dash c. So finding f dash c, we have to first find f dash of x. Okay, it will be 2 minus 2x. Okay, now put 1 by 2 in place of x. F dash of 1 by 2, it will be equals to 2 minus 2, and in place of x write 1 by 2. It will be equal to 1. Okay, now we have value of this. We have LHS value, that is equals to 1. Now we will consider all these limits. We will consider these limits 1, 2 and 3, 4 in place of AB, and check whether this formula RHS is equal to 1 or not. Now for first we will consider for A option, option 1, which is option 1 is here, it is 1 comma 2. Okay, 1 comma 2 is equals to A comma B. Now okay, now we have to find f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Okay, so what we can do, here we have function given to us in the question, this. Okay, for finding, let me just substitute values of a and b. So f of b is here 2 minus f of a is 1. Okay, so 2 minus 1. Okay, my f of 2 will be equals to, just put 2 in place of x in this given function which is given to us in the question. Okay, so f of 2 will be equals to, here 2 bracket 2 minus 2 square, that will be 4, minus, okay, just substitute 1 in place of x, 2 multiply with 1 minus 1 square will be 1, and denominator 2 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, on solving this, what I'll get here? It will be 0, because here look, 2 multiply 2 minus 4, so 4 minus 4 will be 0. Okay, and for next term minus, it will be 2 minus 1 will be 1 upon 1, so it will be equals to minus 1. Okay, my LHS was 1 and here I am getting minus 1, so this is not satisfied. Now check for option 2. Okay, my option 2 is minus 1 comma 1. Okay, so if I'll check for this, okay, my f of b will be 1 minus f of a will be minus 1 upon, here b minus a means 1 minus minus will be plus 1. Okay, now f of 1 will be equals to, I'm just substituting the value of 1 and minus 1 in this function. Okay, I'm just skipping this part. Okay, so I have substituted the value of 1 and minus 1 accordingly, okay, in fx. Now I have done this like we have done for previous part. Now on solving this further, I'll get 2 minus 1 minus, it will be, here I'll get minus 2 and it will be plus 2. Okay, now here minus and minus will become plus 1 whole divided by 2. Okay, minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel, 4 by 2 will be 2. it is also not equal to LHS. Now for part 3, what is my part 3? It is, look, it is 0 comma 1. Okay, so I'll write 0 comma 1. Okay, f of b means f of 1 minus f of 0, and b minus a will be 1 minus 0. Okay, now on further substituting, what I'll get here? So I have substituted the value of 1 in given function, then I have substituted the value of 0 here. Okay, so here this whole function will get 0. Okay, this value will get 0. So my final answer will be here 2 minus 1 upon 1, it will be 1. Okay, my RHS is 1. Okay, now my value of f dash c, that was f dash 1 by 2, it was also 1. So for option 3, that is 0 comma 1. Okay, for option 3, that is 0 comma 1, I can say that I can conclude LMVT is applicable. For 0 comma 1, LMVT is applicable. For 0 comma 1, LMVT is applicable. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।